Hey everyone, my name's Emma. Today I'm going to be running through with you a little lesson plan of mine for teaching symmetry to students. It's aimed at year levels 3. That's because the Australian National Curriculum has an achievement standard for year 3 students stating that at this level they should be able to identify forms of symmetry in their environment. Okay, so to introduce the topic, I've gone ahead and I've got some little cutouts. They're all items that are to do with nature, okay? They're just cutouts. We've got a leaf, a sun, a caterpillar, one more, butterfly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is introduce symmetry to the students, say what is symmetry. Probably not going to get a lot of responses. That's okay. That's the idea of it. We're going to learn. Okay, so I'm going to go through these shapes with them and explain that symmetry is when one half of an object looks like the mirror image of the other half. Okay, we're going to go through how to find out if an item is symmetrical. So I'm going to explain to them that a line of symmetry is basically a little imaginary line that they can use to figure out if each side of the line is identical, mirror image. Okay, so we're going to brainstorm with them. Which of these do they think are symmetrical? So they can have a play around. We're going to pass all the cutouts around. Okay, we want them to know that symmetry is all around them, that it can be found in nature. So they're going to go through and they're going to fold their little shapes to try and see. We're going to let them experiment, fold. Does it go this way? It's still not symmetrical. Okay? So they're all going to have a little cutout. We're going to throw away. We don't want that. That's not symmetrical. We figured that out. Okay. And I'm going to get them to draw their lines of symmetry. Can you see that? I'm going to go around and check before we go on to the next part of the activity. Just confirm that they've got their lines. I didn't draw on that one. There we go. As we're going through doing this, we can open discussion for, does it only have one line of symmetry? Because not everything only has one line of symmetry. For example, little Johnny's found 2 lines of symmetry. There we go. Okay, once they've got their lines of symmetry, we're going to, you guessed it, pull out the paintbrush. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I think it really emphasizes for them exactly how symmetrical things work, that both sides are actually identical. Okay, so I'm going to get them on one side of their cutout. To paint, decorate. This is fun. They love it. They don't even know they're learning maths right now. Okay, so they're going to get their paintbrush. They're going to paint it. It's a beautiful leaf. It's green. Actually, it's fallen off, so it's going to have some yellow too. Yellow. And I don't know how many black leaves I've seen, but that's fine. Don't have any brown. Maybe some red. Okay, and then I'm going to explain to them that because they've found a line of symmetry on their cutout, if they fold it over once they've painted and smush it together and open it up, they will have a beautiful symmetrical cutout. And that this is actually what happens in nature, in items in nature. If they look at a leaf or a flower, not all of them by the way, that they will find symmetry, that it's everywhere, it's all around them. Now if you want to expand on this, just touch on it so that they know it's also in culture. Use letters, look. Which ones are symmetrical? It's great to show them that symmetry is everywhere, that it's fun, and that they can recognize objects that are symmetrical in their environment as per the Australian National Curriculum. Thanks.